Hello and welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm PKN's publisher, Lindy Houston, and this week's episode is sponsored by Ball & Doggett, Australia's largest distributor of printable materials, press consumables and printing equipment. In the lead story this week, the Australian Packaging Covenant Organisation, that's APCO, and not-for-profit standards organisation GS1 Australia have collaborated to assist APCO members with annual sustainability reporting. The partnership means that 55% of APCO annual reporting questions have been incorporated into the GS1 National Product Catalogue database, providing a solution for APCO members to actively track progress towards the 2025 national packaging targets. Members can provide live data to APCO through a simple checkbox process, confirming that information can be shared. Data input to the National Product Catalogue can also be downloaded by members. This supports completion of both the APCO Annual Report and the Australasian Recycling Label Report. The partnership is in response to APCO members' requirements for enhanced efficiency in data collection, and it supports easy collation of packaging metrics to track progress in sustainable packaging. That is a massive step forward. Well done, APCO and GS1. Next up, sustainable packaging solutions manufacturer Amcor has signed a definitive agreement to acquire New Zealand-based Modo Systems, a manufacturer of automated protein packaging machines. Modo Systems designs, assembles and supports high-performance modular vacuum packaging solutions for the meat, poultry and dairy industries. Amcor says the acquisition will complement its existing strength in film, positioning the company to offer an end-to-end packaging solution that encompasses primary packaging, equipment, on-site technical service and parts, so the whole package. Then, in an Australian first, Nestle Australia has launched a new refillable packaging system for its Nan Supreme Pro toddler milk formula as it explores ways to reduce packaging and test new packaging systems. The unique refill system comprises a reusable stainless steel can, lightweight pouches that go inside the tin, a specially designed lid to keep pouches snugly in the can, and a scoop made from 95% renewable plant-based plastic. Parents can reorder refill pouches as required online or sign up to a subscription service. According to Nestle, the new refill system will result in 40% less primary packaging weight over a year when compared to the Nan Supreme Pro toddler 800-gram tins. And then an important date for the calendar, the much-anticipated launch of the Ecoporium by Ball & Doggett Sustainable Packaging Platform will take place at an in-person event held at the Melbourne Museum on the 1st of June. Now, the event is free and tickets are still available, but numbers are limited. And a live stream option is available for interstate and international attendees. Keynote speakers will be Amber Bonney, Edison Agency MD, Chris Foley, APCO CEO, who will address the current state of play regarding the 2025 national packaging targets, Kelly Northwood, PVCA CEO, and Nerida Kelton, AIP Executive Director. Panelists will be Asaf Weiss, VacuPack Managing Director, John Bigley from Zipform Packaging, he's the CEO, Rowena Kerr-Lewis from Denomination, and Sally Williams, founder of Choice for Life. I am looking forward to moderating that panel, and PKN is the proud media partner for the event. Then in some appointment news, global food and beverage processing and packaging company Tetra Pak has appointed Boris Munster as managing director of its Oceania business as former MD Andrew Pooch steps down to retire after 35 years with the company. In his new role, based in Melbourne, Munster will be responsible for Tetra Pak's business operations in Australia and New Zealand. He brings extensive global commercial experience in the food, beverage and retail industry, having worked across multiple regions in Europe and North America. He says he's honoured to be given the opportunity to build on the great foundation set up by his predecessor Andrew Pooch, who has led Tetra Pak Oceania through considerable challenging times during the pandemic. And PKN wishes Andrew all the best in his next chapter. Now for some quick updates on other headline makers this week. Visy has held its first ever joint energy summit on decarbonisation in paper production with global technology company Voith Group, which featured the latest solutions and proven technologies for energy efficiency, cost savings and operational improvements. Award-winning branding agency Squad Inc. has executed the brand and packaging design for the newly released Papa Salt Craft Gin, developed for actor Margot Robbie and friends. The label is printed by Imprestic, the glass bottle supplied by Saverglass, and the custom stopper produced by Supercap. The gin is distilled and packaged locally in Byron Bay. And then Burdekin Distillery brings the botanicals of North Queensland to Australian shelves with the launch of its range of locally crafted rums, designed by drinks branding specialist Denomination. The label design has been printed by Halley Labels, and the bottles are produced by Saverglass. Then Moet & Chandon, not to be left out, is offering limited edition Specially Yours gift boxes that allow customers to add a personalized message to their gift of champagne, with the metal tins designed and produced in-house. Bob's Group, meanwhile, has acquired 70% of the equity of Ducker Robotics, which specializes in the use of robots in both loading and palletizing in the corrugated board sector, while offering opportunities in the folding carton industry. And finally, in some feel-good news, a partnership between sustainable waste management company Clean Vibes and leading Aboriginal not-for-profit Kari Foundation has resulted in over $30,000 raised for the charity through container recycling at major New South Wales events and festivals. Recycling is a good thing. Well, that's all from me this week. For more on these and other stories, head over to our website, packagingnews.com.au. Thanks, as ever, for watching.